Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA ignition throttle position sensor, also known as a TPS sensor, that fits a variety of vehicles, including the Dodge Ram 25 and 3500, as well as some other vehicles with the 5.9 liter Cummins diesel engine. Now, this throttle position sensor installs under the hood. You can see there's two mounting screws there and one electrical connector. So what this sensor allows the vehicle to do is it allows it to see what position the actual throttle for the gas pedal's at. So this installs pretty much directly in front of where the driver sits under the hood. This actually mounts to a bracket, and there's a adjustment procedure that needs to be done in order to install this and calibrate it properly. So if you take a look at the product page, you'll see a picture of where this actually installs. There's a black cover that kind of has a rounded hump over it, and when you remove that cover, that's where the actual sensor is installed. There's an adjustment procedure where you'll actually move a set screw and you'll measure voltage. And you'll adjust that set screw until the voltages read anywhere between 0.580 and 0.670 volts. That exact procedure is shown on the product page. If you do have any questions about the adjustment procedure or anything else, please feel free to reach out to us directly and we'll be glad to help.